wag na wag, never ever discuss yung mga problema mo sa relasyon mo sa ibang tao. Kahit pa kaibigan mo yan, relative mo yan, somebody close to you, the biggest mistake most people make is talking about their relationship problems with other people. Kung may problema ka sa karelasyon mo, it's always best to talk to them about it. Kesa sa makiusap ka sa iba and find a solution about it. If you discuss this with other people, lagi nang may judgment about your partner. At yung solusyon na pwede nila ibigay will only come from their own experience. Wala namang ibang best na nakakaalam ng relasyon nyo, ay kayong dalawa. So next time na meron kayong hindi pagkakaintindihan ng partner mo, mag-usap na lang kayo. Nang walang sigawan, walang gamitan ng mga mean words, bigyan nyo muna ng space and time ang bawat isa for a couple of hours, maybe overnight. Pag pareho na kayong kalmado, that's the time to talk about it. Tapos yung i-discuss nyo, yung solusyon na. No more blaming about it. Kung anong nasa loob mo, anong nasa loob niya, pareho nyo sabihin sa isa't isa. Hindi naman po masama magkaroon ng mga disagreements. You both learn from each other. You both learn from it, from the situation. Ang end result niyan is always a stronger and a better relationship.